So here we are at Bull Creek, and let's ride. Well, talking to the people up at the check-in station, they were telling me they're going to do a prescribed burn. This area over here, all the way down to the loop road. They couldn't have picked a better day. It's supposed to be 97 degrees and humidity you can cut with a knife. And they're going to be wearing a bunch of gear, playing with fire. That's a rough job. So as you know, I've told you before, but prescribed burns here in Florida are an important thing. We get a lot of storms and a lot of lightning. Should eliminate the potential for wildfires if they take the fuel away with the prescribed burn. It also eliminates the invasive species and the new growth. All the new grasses and stuff that come up are great for grazing. The deer especially love the new growth. So this area over here to our right, it's going to end up to look like this. They told me as long as I stay south, I should be pretty good. And she said if I'm on the roads, I'll be safe. We'll be fine today. I have plenty of water with me. We got a pretty full tank of gas. Road conditions are not too bad. A little sandy in spots. I was expecting quite a bit of mud. Doesn't look too bad. I normally see a lot of deer out here. I think they're going to be down south and scattered around a little bit. Beautiful clear day. We're not supposed to have so much rain today, which is good. Which doesn't surprise me because I brought my rain gear today, so it won't rain. You know, it seems like I follow the fire crew around. Last time we were in the fire, and today we might be in the fire again. See if we can avoid that. It's too hot. Coming up to one of my favorite places out here, Billy Lake. It's a pretty awesome, peaceful spot. And no camping. Okay, let me show you why this is one of my favorite spots. Look how peaceful it is. Nicely shaded. A lot of trees. The Africa Twin. The cypress trees, which have an incredible beauty. And the what we call knees. The roots, so the trees can breathe when it floods. You can see them all over. Good place to throw a canoe in. Kayak. Oh, look at the oranges. Mushrooms. Oh, cool. I thought they were flowers. Wonder what lives in that hole. I prefer not to find out. I'm hoping it's a turtle. All right, break is over. Let's go. Let's explore some more. And it was getting very hot. Need some breeze. I can see smoke over there already, blowing this way. Roads are much nicer than I thought they were going to be. Smoke's getting pretty thick over there. There's part of the Florida hiking trail. Okay, a little wet here. Which way do we go? Which way? Which way? Let's go this way. Sometimes it's better to avoid those big puddles. Too hard to clean the bike. Snakes. Killer. I know you guys don't see it, but these are pretty big rocks. We're a little heavy and they're bouncing us around. Thick smell of smoke now. Surprising, looks like we have two going at once. Got one over here and one over here. Well, let's take the crossroad. I see a bunch of turkeys. Good, how are you? Nah. No, actually nothing at all.
Okay.
Some turkeys, that was it.
Must be a fresh one.
Okay, that was good. Yeah. All right, that was a smart move, wasn't it?
Hey, that's all right, man. As long as you're okay.
You got half of it? She's a heavy bitch, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Good. Should have been recording that one, huh?
Right. There was a couple of, we've seen a big diamondback come out up there.
Oh, I did see one snake,
Okay.
but it was just a black one. Other than me, there's no excitement, huh?
Right. Made my day, man. I'm glad you're okay though.
Nah, it was easy. Well, I haven't done that one in a while.
Right. This is nice, guys.
Yeah.
Like enduro type, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Now, how do you guys stop it?
So being that the wind's pushing this way, we start this edge, and this has already been burnt, but we'll start this and it backs in about 30, 40, 50 feet. So by the time that fire comes across, it's stopping on the inside of there anyway.
So nothing to burn over here,
Nope.
and these pine trees grow right back.
Right. And that's part of the reason too, I didn't know, but after July-ish, when you're pushing it first week of August, that they won't recover before winter hits, and they'll be brown until next year. So
Oh, really?
end of July is kind of like the cutoff.
Oh, interesting.
And then they're starting to sap out right now too. So further we get into August, there's more sap running down all the pine trees. So if the fire comes, I mean, it'll just like cotton sticks.
Oh, I get it. There's a lot of you guys out here today.
Yeah, there's quite a few. We usually have 5, 6 people on a burn, sometimes more, depending on what we're doing.
Oh, that's it?
Yep. Yeah, I definitely see some interesting stuff coming out when you're burning.
Oh, I'll have to go that way then. Yeah, nothing that way. But then again, it's still a lot of green out there.
Right. Yeah, they'll be riding through pretty soon. What they'll do is way out, start a little fire, start a little fire. It kind of spreads, kind of comes together, and then comes across.
Ah. So now's a good time to beat the smoke.
Yeah.
Good idea. I'll get out. Thanks, bud.
Have a good ride, man.
Thanks,
Take
man.
it easy.
Hey, thanks for the help.